So I've just joined a new piece and I have to be careful not to make it fall down, but I have an idea where I want to attach this one. So if I do that, that's actually going to hold on to it a little bit better. I'm going to put a little pencil mark here so I know when I turn this around, I need to put glue right along that pencil line there. So I made that mark so I know where it's going to touch the other piece. But then my other point of contact would be down here at the bottom where it's going to touch the base. So that is going to help it hold on more. I'm going to turn this around so I can see the side a little bit better. Putting that on there and sort of doing that wiggle trick so everything goes on there and holds it up. So when I let go, that seems to want to stay on there better. Now I have these other pieces that I'm going to start joining on. Here, I kind of like the idea of this being attached somewhere around here, maybe a little bit further back there. And as you can see there, it's hanging off the base, but that's okay. I kind of like that it does that. So I'm going to put some glue along here. So every time I attach a piece, I'm trying to follow the rule of it has to touch in more than one place. So that's one side that would touch. This is the other side that would touch. And because I know it's going to hang off a little bit, I'm not going all the way to the end because I don't want to glue it to my work surface here. So I'm doing my right angle attachment, kind of wiggling into place a little bit to get it on there. Once I feel like I've held it long enough, then I can let go. So I want to, every once in a while, as I'm working on this, either I need to move around it or I need to turn it around like I'm doing so I can see, well, how is it looking from all sides? This is a form, which means it's three-dimensional. It has height, width, but then depth from the front to the back. So I want to make sure that I'm designing it in 3 dimensions all the way around. So I like the idea of adding this piece on there. So I'm going to glue that on in a moment. And when you're done adding color, that's really up to you guys. You could use markers on here, paint on here. You could attach colored pieces of paper on there as well to fill in shapes that would have color on them. So color is optional because there's tons of different ways you guys could do that. So I look forward to seeing what you come up with and what you send me when you're done. I'm going to put this last piece on there before I stop recording. Holding on to everything because the glue is pretty fresh. I don't want to knock everything over. All right, now I can leave that to dry.